The health system went on high alert today after a woman returning from China on Thursday visited the Annotto Bay Hospital in St. Mary with several complaints. In a release, the health ministry says as a precaution, the patient has been isolated and will remain until the symptoms abate. The release says the patient complained about a headache, anorexia, chills, dryness to the throat, and generalized weakness, but they do not meet the case definition for the coronavirus. The ministry added that the patient who landed in Jamaica on January 30 reported no history of cough, sore throat, shortness of breath, vomiting, muscle pain, or diarrhea. This is the second such patient. Earlier this week, a woman turned up at the University Hospital of the West Indies and is also being monitored by officials. Meanwhile, TVJ News has been informed that 19 Chinese nationals were yesterday denied entry to Jamaica amidst the travel ban. This was confirmed by Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton. The Chinese visitors arrived at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston. The Jamaican government yesterday announced a ban on travel to and from China as the World Health Organization declared the coronavirus a global health emergency. Dr. Christopher Tufton says all persons traveling to Jamaica from China will be subject to immediate quarantine for a minimum of 14 days. He disclosed that isolation facilities are operational at all public hospitals. A specialist facility is at the National Chest Hospital. And the parents of a student who is currently studying in China is telling Jamaicans not to panic. The parents said some of the Jamaicans still supplying information from China are making things appear worse than they are. TVJ's Shamela Pullen reports.
As the deadly novel coronavirus labeled 2019 NCOV continues to spread across the world, many persons have become worried and fearful. Quite a number of Jamaican students have been studying in China. So far, there have been mixed views about the impact this virus has on them. On Friday, TVJ News carried a story with Jamaicans in China wanting to come home because they feel trapped with no help. But Lloyd Lynch and his wife Audrey have a daughter who is studying medicine in China. Mrs. Lynch is disturbed by the impression some persons are giving about dwindling resources and desperation the students are facing in China.
I just want to say it's okay to be worried because we're human and because of the unknown, but sometimes we have to just snap out of it and know that this too will pass.
According to Mrs. Lynch, they have been closely monitoring both local and international news for updates. She says they have been in constant dialogue with their daughter, as well as other Jamaican students, even in Wuhan, where the virus was discovered. She said they are okay.
We have food, we are sheltered, we are secure, the supermarkets are opening. So no need for the concern. We're told to be, where hygiene is concerned, we stick to that. We keep out of crowd. We were told not to visit each other's dorm because, for fear of anything coming in.
The Lynch family is hopeful that this will pass and that they will see their daughter soon.
They are on a 1 month break now. The school has extended the opening date for school by 1 week. So as the thing progresses, they will know what is happening, and she keep me updated. There is a travel ban now, which is expected, and we have to just trust the process and hope the school term doesn't extend too long, so we'll see our children in the summer again.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.